A handshake is a brief, split-second interaction, but it is often the first way we communicate confidence and reliability to another person. This custom has deep roots. Ancient Greek stone reliefs, like this one, show the handshake has been part of human connection for hundreds of years. Most of us are taught that a handshake should be firm, but because that word is subjective, it leads to significant variation. Some greetings are held too long, while others are too short or lack the proper pressure. By using a common medical tool to measure pressure, you can identify a specific target for your grip. This allows you to develop the muscle memory needed for a consistent greeting every time. To start, both people should step forward naturally. Your hands should meet in the middle, approximately at the level of the upper abdomen. Your hand should approach in a natural position, palm facing slightly inward, with your thumb pointing toward the ceiling. This diagram shows the specific contact point required. The bases of the thumbs, the webs, must fully meet and interlock. A common mistake is the finger grab, where you squeeze before your hand is deep enough, clamping down on their fingers instead. Securing this anatomical alignment is the foundation of the grip. Without it, the pressure you apply won't be distributed correctly. To measure your grip, you can use a standard analog sphygmomanometer. We will focus on the bulb, the cuff, and the manual dial. First, prepare the device by tightening the air valve on the pumping bulb until it is fully closed. Next, pump the bulb 3 or 4 times. This adds a small baseline volume of air to the cuff. Take that partially inflated cuff and roll it tightly into a handheld taco shape that fits comfortably in your palm. In this configuration, the cuff provides a pressurized surface that gives you immediate objective feedback on how hard you are squeezing. Hold the rolled cuff in your hand and squeeze while watching the needle on the dial. It helps to feel the extremes first. Squeeze very softly, then squeeze far too hard, noting the tension needed to move the needle. Now, adjust your grip until the needle sits between 40 and 50 millimeters mercury. This is the ideal range consistently measured. Once you hit that 40 to 50 range, hold it. Close your eyes and focus on the feeling in your palm and forearm. Internalizing this specific physical tension removes the guesswork. You'll know exactly how a firm handshake should feel. This 5-second choreography ensures a proper interaction. Second 1, establish direct eye contact before physical touch. Seconds 2 to 4, hands connect at the webs, apply 50 millimeters mercury pressure and hold. Final second, release the grip while maintaining eye contact before looking away. You may feel the urge to look down at your hands during the approach. Avoid this. Trust the muscle memory you've developed to guide the alignment. When you combine specific pressure with steady eye contact, the interaction feels deliberate and focused. To recap, aim for 40 to 50 millimeters of pressure, a duration of 2 to 3 seconds, and consistent eye contact during the approach and the release. Historically, handshakes have varied wildly between individuals. Using a measured target provides a level of consistency that most people lack in their daily interactions. You now have a repeatable way to test your own grip strength. This gives you a clear baseline that you can use in any professional or casual setting. Next time you reach out to shake a hand, use what you've practiced. Step forward, make eye contact, and give them 50.